Alright, listen up. These are 10 ChatGPT hacks that honestly feel illegal in 2025. I'm not exaggerating. These prompts are so powerful you'll wonder how they're even allowed. If you want to get ahead, save time, and outsmart the system, you need to know these. Use them before they get patched, because trust me, some of these sound like cheat codes for real life. These are the kind of prompts that make you feel like you're bending the rules of the internet itself. First up, want to spy on your competition? Ever wish you could see exactly what your rivals are doing and how they're winning? Just ask ChatGPT. Analyze competitors' full strategy. Tell me why they win and how I beat them. With less money. Simple, but savage. You'll get a breakdown of their strengths, weaknesses, and a step-by-step plan to outsmart them, even if your budget is tiny. Number 2, Money Machine Mode. Prompt, create 5 income models for my niche. Maximize ROI and help me earn $4,000 a month in 6 months. Whether you're starting a side hustle or scaling a business, this prompt gives you actionable, personalized blueprints to hit your money goals faster than you thought possible. It's like having an AI business consultant, but without the hourly rate. You get expert-level advice instantly and you don't have to pay a dime. Third, see the future before it happens. Imagine knowing what's coming next in your industry so you can prepare before anyone else even sees it coming. Ask, what 5 big changes are coming in industry? What should I prepare for and how can I take advantage before the crowd catches on? This is how you stay ahead of the curve, not behind. You'll be the one setting trends, not chasing them. Stay ahead of the curve, not behind. Don't let the future catch you off guard. Be the one who's always ready. Hack number 4, learn anything in 24 hours. Forget spending weeks or months on a new skill. Teach me skill in 1 day. No fluff, only real hacks, templates, and shortcuts. You'll get a crash course, cheat sheets, and the fastest path to mastery. No wasted time, just results. Forget endless scrolling, get straight to the gold. 5th, break the algorithm. If you want to go viral, you need to outsmart the platforms. Give me a viral content strategy for platform. Hooks, CTAs, upload times, all optimized. You'll get a custom plan to boost your reach, engagement, and followers, tailored to your niche. Your posts are about to hit different. 6, unlock secret features. Most people only scratch the surface of their favorite tools. Show me hidden time-saving features inside tool. Focus on automation and pro tricks. You'll discover shortcuts and automations that save hours every week, making you look like a productivity wizard. Get more done in less time. 7, win any negotiation. Whether it's a job offer, a business deal, or just haggling for a better price, you need an edge. Give me psychological tricks and real phrases to win situation without them noticing. You'll get subtle tactics and word-for-word scripts that tip the odds in your favor. It's like mind control, but legal. Use these and watch people agree with you more than ever. Number 8, travel like a billionaire on a budget. Why pay full price when you can travel in style for less? How do I fly first class and stay in luxury hotels while paying 60% less? Get the hacks for upgrades, points, and secret deals that most people never hear about. AI is the new travel agent. 9, beat price algorithms. Online prices change constantly, but you can outsmart them. How do I trick platform into showing lower prices? Give me timing, location, and setting hacks. You'll learn how to use VPN's incognito mode and timing tricks to unlock the lowest prices every time. Save money with secrets the pros use. These are the hacks travel bloggers and deal hunters don't want you to know. Last one, get past resume filters. Tired of sending out resumes and hearing nothing back? Rewrite my resume for job. Include AI-friendly keywords, structure, and interview boosters. You'll get a resume that beats the bots and gets seen by real humans, plus tips to stand out in interviews. Get interviews, no more ghosting. Save this video, screenshot these prompts, share them with a friend who needs a boost. Use them before they go mainstream. No music, no BS, just cheat codes. The future belongs to those who know how to use AI, so start now.